Okay, in this video, I want to share to you about how to make unique and elegant commercial building. First of all, we can use the rectangle. We can click from this position, and we can prediction. We can speculate about the size of this building, around 16 meter and 22 meter. Then we can click this surface and select push pull just a little bit around 1 meter. Then we can triple click, right click, and click my component and create. Okay, and then we can assign about the materials in here, and we can just select move and click from this position and place to this position. Okay, then we can move it up. We can type around 4 meter and also enter in here. Okay, now we can make the several structural system like a column in here. We can make the column in here for the dimension around just a little around 1 meter and 80 centimeter, and we can push it down like this. Triple click, make component and create, and we can select move, tab control and place to this position. Then we can type 2/ and enter. And then we can check it up about the distance for every single column in here. Okay, then we can select all this column and select a move, tab control and place to this position. Then we can type 3/ and also enter. Okay, so this is the basic structural system of this building. So we can regard as that the beam and the another little beam is on the inside of this slab in here. So we can select move again. Okay, anyway, this is just for conceptual. So we can focus only on the meshing system and the structural system, just a little bit structural system in here. Okay, and then we can assign, we can adjust about the materials like this. We can place the materials. Okay, and after that we can select move and duplicate again. Okay, then we can push it until the position like this, and maybe we can make the another cantilever in here. We can draw the line. We can click this one, select move, tab control and place this position like this. Okay, now we can assign again about the position of this column in here. You can double click and offset it outside like this. Okay, and after that we can assign about the envelopes. We can assign about the envelopes of this building. We can click this slab, right click and make unique. Okay, then we can offset it inside like this. Then we can offset it inside just a little bit and click this surface and select edit, copy and exit from the group, and we can edit, paste in place, and we can push it until the position. Triple click, make group. Okay, and then we can push it up again and place to the position. Okay, and after that we can select the glass. We can select the glass and assign the glass materials in here. Then we can triple click and click this line, select move, tab control and place to the position. Then we can type 10/ and also enter, and also this one. Okay, can select move, tab control and place to this position. Then we can type 10/ and also enter, and we can continue to the another glazing. Okay, select move, tab control, okay, and type 8/ and enter, and also this one, select move, tab control. Okay, we can type 7/ and enter, or we can just repeat once more to make it more proportional. You can type 9/ and also enter. Okay, this is a basic shape of this building. Then we can make unique. We can make the another entrance. We can make the entrance area in here. Okay, this is the entrance area, and we can click this one and select move place to the position like this. And okay, we have to move this a little bit in here. Okay, we can move in here. Okay, so this is the entrance system, and this is about the canopy. So this is the big canopy in here. We can modify about the canopy over there. We can click this line, this third line, 3. We can offset it inside, and we can draw like this, or sorry, we can push it up like this, and we can make the line over there on every single diagonal like this. So this is for the canopy system, and we can also assign about the skylight system in here. Okay, so this is about the skylight system of this canopy. So we can set the glazing in here. Okay. Anyway, we can offset it inside or outside. We can offset it outside like this. We can copy, move and duplicate like this. I'm sorry. We can duplicate just only this line and select move, tap control and place to the another position like this. Now we can push it up for every single canopy hole in here, and then we can give the canopy glazing in here. We can give a thickness in here, and we can select move and duplicate to the position like this. So this is about the canopy of the entrance, and we can assign about the materials. This is just for the speculation. We can select this material texture. Okay, now we can make the parapet, but before we have to make unique. Okay, we can offset it on outside like this. We can make the safety wall in here and make the additional building or access room to the rooftop like this in here, and then we can make the another variation like landscaping in here, just for this one. Okay. Okay, and then we can triple click and make group. So we can assign about the grass materials in here, and we can also put the plantaries in here. Okay, we can move it down. Okay, we can move it down like this. Okay, so this is about the landscape and the entrance area over there. And now we can make the okay, we can make the secondary skin. We can make the secondary skin. Okay, then we can make group. Then we can click this one, select move, and we can type 3/ and also enter. And again, we can move and place to the position. Okay, now we can assign about the color materials. We can use the chocolate materials, or we can assign about the saturation like this. Okay, then we can make the shading. We can make the shading in here. Again, make component. Can select move, type control, press this position, then we can type X9 and enter. Okay, and then we can select about this stick again, and select move, tap control, and place to the position like this. And then we can duplicate it again. Okay, we can duplicate and please move on this position, and of course we have to assign about the panel like this. Okay, maybe we can use this diagonal system in here, and also this one, and push it until the limit like this, and also this one to make it more proportional. Okay. Okay, and then we can make it a playful panel over there, like this. Okay, and it's done, and we can put another vehicles in here and just rotate. Okay, on the drop off area over there. Okay, and then we can assign about the glazing materials over there. Okay, we can set the opacity and set the glazing. Okay, we can make the shadow, and then we can also select the sky, and it's done. Okay, thanks for watching, and I hope it will be inspiration for all of you, and just wait for my next tutorial. Thank you.